Assembling the CanDo Magneciser pedal exerciser. Before assembling, review the manual to become familiar with the parts. Begin by inserting the front support tube into the body at your desired position. Attach the locking knob and tighten it. Attach each pedal to its corresponding side. Both pedals are labeled L and R at the end of the screws. The left pedal needs to be tightened counterclockwise instead of clockwise like a normal screw. You can use the tool provided. Insert the included AA battery into the monitor. Plug the monitor wire into the monitor and slide the monitor completely onto the monitor tab. Turn the resistance knob clockwise to increase resistance and counterclockwise to decrease resistance.